Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnTech School. In today's tutorial, I'll show you on how to register a business in Kenya using eCitizen portal. Whether you are starting a small business, a sole proprietor, or preparing to register a company, this guide will walk you through the entire process from the start to finish. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss on our future tutorials. Let's get started. You start by opening up our browser of your choice. Then next you go to the search bar and you type in eCitizen website. Then you click on it. It will direct you to the landing page. So on the landing page, you're going to click on sign in button if you have already an account on eCitizen. If you don't have one, you can click on the register button and then you register first by producing your particulars. But for us, we're going to click on signing. So on signing account, we'll go providing the details such as ID or email. On the password, you produce in the password, then you click on signing. Next, we'll go to OTP verification. We're going to choose the means, either email or phone, but for us, we're going to choose in phone verification. So we're going to place in the code that it has sent us on our phone, that empty box, then you click on next. It will automatically lead us to the dashboard area. So on the dashboard area, we're going to look for register business and you click on it. Afterwards, click on the proceed area, whereby it's going to take you to BRS page of your account. So in the BRS section is whereby you can register a business. You can click on BR2, then click on it, and then you click apply here. Now it's going to lead you also on business registration login with eCitizen. Click on it. Then on their dashboard, you're going to see company registration services, official receiver, insolvency services, collateral registry, purchase. But with us, we're going to click on company registration services. Next is going to open on that part. Then you're going to see our accounts dashboard on it. On the left side, we'll see our account names. Then when you scroll downwards, you'll see the services that are available on this. So you can either link a business official search for CR12, CR13, but you're going to look specifically for registering of our business name. Click apply. Then next, you're going to start with business name registration. So this session, I'm going to scroll downwards. Then we're going to propose names of our businesses. We're going to start with the first name on that input place, and then if you have any existing name, with that we are going to select either yes or no on those two buttons. Then we're going next, on the next input, we're going to propose the second name of our business. If there's any other name related to that, also you can select either yes or no. Let's scroll down and I will propose our third name on that input. Also, you can do the same if you have any name that relates to that. You can also choose to propose another name by add proposed name. Now when you are done with those names proposals, those all inputs, we will click on the next button to lead us into the next page. Next, we'll be heading over to business name registration. We're going to put in particulars of the person that is applying, proprietor or secretary. We're going to choose proprietor. Then we'll go to the address and we'll go to the postal code. The name had automatically appeared, so next we'll be clicking on the next button. Then next we are going to choose in the nature of our business. So on this input, we're going to click on the down arrow. You're going to see the industries that are available for business. We're going to look for our industry if it is included there. So if you're not going to find it, we will be choosing others. Then next, there will be another box popping up that is described the nature of business. You're going to give a little bit of information there. Go to relevant documents. If you have, click on that, then click on the next button. The next button is going to lead us to registered office address. Then we'll be producing in our county location. I'm going to choose from that long list. The next business also we're going to do the same. Then locality of the business, the name of the building or estate or house number that our business is, the street or road, then the floor. Then next we go to the door number, scroll downwards. I'm going to give in the postal address, then postal code, then the mobile number of our business, email address, then click on the next button. Then it will lead us to ownership information. So we're going to add in particulars, ID, name, ID type, and click on add proprietor. So in this section, I'm going to choose in a Kenyan citizen. There is among this list. Then we'll be going to the particulars such as ID number or name. Then click on the next button after you have provided them. Then it will lead you to application documents. So on this session, you're going to click here to download the two form, sign, scan, and upload. You're going to do as it is instructed. The next, after you are done with the downloading, then sign and then scan, you click on the choose file, then you upload it on that session, and lastly you click on the next button. The next session now is declaration part. So with this part, you're going to click here by confirm that I've provided the information as required by the registrar in regards to this application. So you're going to click on that checkbox, then click preview. You see all details of the application. This part, we are going to check every detail that is entered is correctly entered, starting from the ID number, names, ID type. Then we go to other details such as the form that you have filled in and uploaded, the declaration part. Then we click edit if there's some details not correctly entered, and then lastly, if everything is okay, we'll go back and click complete. Our next part, it will be the make payment. So here we have our total bill. We're going to scroll downwards. You can see the mode of payment that are available here. Banks are here, all sort of banks, Equity, IMF, and the rest. But for us, for our case, we're going to use M-Pesa. We're going to click on M-Pesa. Then here where it says phone number, we're going to insert in our Safaricom valid phone number here. Then we're going to click initiate payment. Then a pop-up will appear on your phone. After pop-up, then you click on it. You insert your PIN number, and that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Learn Tech School, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss our latest eCitizen and digital skills tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you. Finally, don't forget to share this video with anyone planning to register a business in Kenya. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial.